Hi everybody, my name is Doug. Today I'm going to be taking a first look at this mattress right here. This is the Alexander Signature Hybrid Mattress by Nest Bedding. And this particular one is a queen size. I've had my eye on this mattress for a long time, been wanting to try it out for a long time, and now it's going to happen. So this particular mattress, the queen size, has a list price of $1,500. Note, however, there's usually a discount or a sale going on. Right now it's approaching President's Day 2020, so it's $300 off. That brings the net effective price down to around $1,200. Please check the link in the description box. That's a custom referral link for me that supports my channel if you end up using it. Now, I am going to test out this mattress for 10 nights, or at least that's the plan. Do a separate video letting you know what I think about it. But before I can sleep on it, I gotta get it out of the box. Here we go. Alright, got that done. Well, what do you think? First impressions, it has a very nice feel to the top. There is sort of like a diamond pattern with a circle around it, kind of weaved in. A little hard to describe, but you can look at it. If you can't see it good on this video, check back for my review. The unboxing did wear me out just a little bit, and it was kind of right on the border of my capabilities. I believed it was a little over 100 pounds. You saw I kind of got it on the bed and then misfired and it fell off. So you might want to be work with a partner if you can when you're unboxing it, but if not, an individual can do it. It just takes a little extra work. So I'm going to catch my breath and then come back with just a couple more thoughts. One additional thing worth mentioning, it actually came in a box that had a box inside it. I like this because a lot of the mattresses I get are just so beat up. I feel like having 2 layers of cardboard takes some of the brunt in shipping. So I thought that was a really good idea by Nest Bedding. Just a couple other preliminary impressions. I really like that it has handles for carrying. That makes moving it around a lot easier after the fact. I like this kind of zone here that feels a little bit like a Euro topper. That's nice. Construction looks great. The edge threading is sewn in really well. Good quality construction. In terms of preliminary feel, now it has not expanded fully yet, so there's some lumps and bumps. But when I was catching my breath a few moments ago, I nearly fell asleep because it feels really good. And this is just a preliminary impression, but yeah, it's filling my back nicely. It's got good conformity, so I'm sinking in a little without being enveloped, and I think that's what I'm going to like. This one is a medium feel. So first report is definitely an A. Maybe after time and full expansion it'll get to an A+. But you'll have to check back in about 10 days, maybe a little more, to see what I really thought of it after sleeping on it for 10 nights. Please click the like button if you think this kind of video is valuable, and subscribe to my channel. That way when I do my full report here on the Alexander Signature by Nest, you'll be able to be one of the first ones to see it.